One of the most important tools for precise measurements is a kitchen scale. Rather than leaving your fate in the hands of an inaccurate measuring cup, let a kitchen scale do the measuring for you. You can tear the scale so that you can measure directly into mixing bowls and pots, and most scales give you the option to measure in ounces or grams. Not only do they improve accuracy, but kitchen scales make for a more streamlined and efficient method for measuring a lot of ingredients at once. There are numerous options for cheap kitchen scale, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable kitchen scale from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Food Scale. Consistently accurate, with a functional design and practical extras, this OXO stainless steel scale came out on top again and again in every round of testing. Our winning scale went above and beyond as the only one to feature a pull-out display, battery life and maximum weight indicators, and the longest delay before the scale shuts off automatically. The slim design makes it easy to fit it into any drawer, though it's still heavy and stable during use. In 2021, OXO released a newer model that we've tested and think is an improvement on the original. While there are some small design changes, what we love about the scale still exists. The removable scale bed for easy cleaning and the pull-out display for when you're weighing a large vessel. What's more, the newer scale now remembers which unit you've been using, so you don't need to reset it after each power-up. Finally, the blue backlight has been removed and replaced with a digital display where the background is black and the measurements are in white, so it's always illuminated no matter the amount of light in your kitchen. Number 2. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. Lightweight design of the Escali Primo. At only 11 ounces, it's a snap to grab and always have by your side. Though light, it managed to be stable thanks to its skip-proof rubber feet and square base. The basic display and interface are effortless to read and use. The scale features only 2 buttons. One to change units, and another doubling as the on-off button and tare function. Providing accurate measurement in both metric and customary units, it has all the basics. The Escali Primo had the second longest delay before auto shut-off, at 4.5 minutes. There were a couple of scales with similar designs and similar performance at lower prices, but they had only 1-minute delays before auto shut-off, a flaw we could not get past. With only 3.5 inches between the center of the platform and the display, weighing in larger bowls or vessels can become problematic with this scale, despite the platform's slight elevation. The buttons on the scale are not very sensitive and require the user to press down hard. Number 3. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Etekcity's stainless steel scale has a chic classic design at an affordable price point. This particular scale can weigh items up to 11 pounds, and it has the capability to read in ounces, grams, fluid ounces, or milliliters. The glossy silver finish and well-lit screen make for a stylish addition to any kitchen, and an easy appliance to clean. Our product tester measured 0.25 cup of sugar across 5 trials with consistent results. The scale was off by 1 gram from what it should have measured. It read 49, rather than the 50 grams a leveled off 0.25 cup of sugar should measure. She said the best part of this scale was the attractive, slim profile that slid right into her gadget drawer for easy storage. Operation was a little clunky, and the digital display is small, making it slightly difficult to read, but at this price point, she felt it was a bargain. Also, it shut off in less than a minute when she left it unattended, preserving battery life. The scale is 7x 5.5 inches and just shy of 1 inch thick, making it extremely compact and easy to stow away in a drawer cabinet when not in use. It has a flat scale surface and tidy, laminated buttons that are easy to clean with a damp rag and soap. Number 4. Etekcity Smart Food Nutrition Kitchen Scale. Tech-savvy cooks might require a kitchen scale that can hook up to a phone. This Bluetooth-enabled smart scale can be linked to an app in your phone, and will not only provide a basic weight measurement, but it can also give 8 different nutritional stats, such as calories, fat, carbohydrates, and protein. If you use your scale for portion and nutritional measurements, this feature could be extremely convenient for you. The sleek stainless steel platform has the capability to measure up to 11 pounds in grams, ounces, or milliliters. The large LCD screen not only displays measurements, but it can also display nutritional macros once the scale is connected to the corresponding free app, BeSyncFit. This app can sync with Apple Health and Fitbit. Our tester downloaded the app and synced it with her Fitbit. She reported it was an easy download and provides robust nutritional information. She noted the scale was incredibly accurate across all 5 tests, delivering precise measurements each time. After just 1 minute of inactivity, the automatic shutoff was speedy. The provided instructions were a little sparse, but a visit to the website helped explain all the functionality of the scale. When finished testing, it slipped right into her gadget drawer easily for storage. Number 5. Digital Coffee Scale with Timer. Any Java lover knows that the art of brewing pour-over, espresso, French press, or any coffee is all about precise weights and times. This scale can measure in ounces and grams, as well as liquid measurements, such as milliliters and fluid ounces. The tare function allows you to start a fresh pot anytime. The clear LCD readings are clean and easy to see, and the scale comes with an alarm function, so you can time your brew perfectly. Our tester brewed 5 cups of pour-over coffee, and found the scale measured within a 0.03 ounce margin of error. She also reported the coffee was delicious and strong each time. In addition to coffee, our tester also measured sugar over 5 trials, and came up with similar accuracy, 48 grams 1.7 ounces. She liked the silicone mat provided, as it made for easy cleanup when a little water splashed out on the pour-over, and it protected the non-waterproof scale. The automatic shut-off time was longer than most at 5 minutes, but this scale has a manual button you can use to power down when finished. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.